Looking for the best mechanical keyboard to enhance your typing experience? Oh, you're in for a treat. Mechanical keyboards are much more than just an accessory. They're a game changer, offering a tactile typing experience that's second to none. Not to mention, they're built to last, making them a worthy investment. But the real charm lies in their customization options. From hot-swappable switches for easy replacement to cross-compatibility between Windows and Mac, mechanical keyboards are all about making your typing journey your own. Stay tuned as we dive into the top 10 mechanical keyboards recommended by experts. Before we delve into the list, it's crucial to understand what makes a mechanical keyboard stand out. Unlike their membrane counterparts, mechanical keyboards employ physical switches under each keycap, resulting in a more tactile and responsive typing experience. These switches come in three main varieties: clicky, tactile, and linear. Clicky switches offer a noticeable bump and audible click when pressed. Tactile switches provide a similar bump without the noise, and linear switches offer a smooth keystroke with no tactile bump or click. But the customization doesn't stop there. Some mechanical keyboards feature hot-swappable switches, allowing you to change out the switches without any soldering. This means you can easily tailor your keyboard to your exact preference, whether you're a fast typist, a gamer, or just someone who appreciates a satisfying typing experience. Another important factor to consider is cross-compatibility. Many mechanical keyboards are compatible with both Windows and Mac systems, offering flexibility for users who switch between operating systems. Armed with this knowledge, you're now ready to explore our top 10 list. Starting off our list is the Kyron V1. This gem has made a name for itself as a top-notch entry-level wired keyboard. It's not just about the aesthetics, although it does have a sleek design. The real magic lies in the build quality. Made to last, the Kyron V1 boasts a sturdy construction that can withstand your most fervent typing sessions. But it's not just about durability. The typing experience is equally impressive, offering a tactile feel that's satisfying and responsive. And let's not forget about the features. The Kyron V1 offers cross-compatibility between Windows and Mac, and hot-swappable switches for easy customization. If you're just starting out, the Kyron V1 is an excellent choice. Next up, we have the Kyron V1 Max. With its wireless capabilities, it offers a clutter-free experience that's perfect for those who value a tidy workspace. This keyboard doesn't skimp on features either. It maintains the tactile typing feel and durability we love in mechanical keyboards, while also offering hot-swappable switches for easy customization. It's worth mentioning that it's also cross-compatible with Windows and Mac systems. The Kyron V1 Max is more than just an entry-level keyboard. It's a gateway to the world of mechanical keyboards that doesn't compromise on quality or functionality. For those who prefer wireless keyboards, the Kyron V1 Max is a solid contender. If you're looking for a premium option, consider the Kyron Q1 Pro. This keyboard isn't your regular run-of-the-mill device. It's built with a full aluminum chassis that screams durability and elegance. But it's not just about looks. The Kyron Q1 Pro also offers Bluetooth connectivity, providing you with the freedom to move around without being tethered by wires. Plus, it comes packed with other premium features that elevate your typing experience to new heights. So if you're ready to go all out on your keyboard investment, the Kyron Q1 Pro is a luxurious choice for those willing to splurge. Now that we've covered some standout options, let's quickly run through the remaining keyboards on our list. First up is the Varmilo VA87M. This keyboard is known for its incredible build quality and vibrant color schemes. It features Cherry MX switches, giving you that satisfying tactile feedback every time you press a key. Next, we have the Ducky 1-2 Mini. This compact keyboard is perfect for those who are always on the go. Despite its size, it doesn't compromise on functionality, boasting double-shot PBT keycaps and customizable RGB lighting. Moving on to the Das Keyboard 4 Professional. This beast of a keyboard is designed for serious typists. With its robust build and gold-plated mechanical switches, it guarantees a typing experience that is both comfortable and responsive. The fourth keyboard on our list is the AN Pro 2. This wireless keyboard is a hit among gamers and typists alike. Its Gatoron switches provide a smooth typing experience, while the customizable RGB lighting lets you personalize your keyboard to your liking. Then there's the Leopold FC750R. This keyboard is all about precision and durability. It comes with PBT keycaps and Cherry MX switches, ensuring a long lifespan and consistent performance. The sixth keyboard we're highlighting is the Drop Alt. This hot-swappable keyboard allows you to customize your typing experience by changing switches without soldering. Plus, it's equipped with customizable RGB lighting for that extra flair. Finally, we have the SteelSeries Apex Pro. This keyboard is renowned for its adjustable actuation switches, allowing you to change the sensitivity of each key. It's a game changer for both gaming and typing. Each of these keyboards has its unique strengths, making them worthy of your consideration. As we wrap up, remember that the best keyboard for you ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. We've journeyed through the landscape of mechanical keyboards, highlighting the top 10 picks that excel in various aspects. From the entry-level Kyron V1 with its robust build and satisfying typing experience, to the wireless Kyron V1 Max, and the premium Kyron Q1 Pro with its full aluminum chassis and Bluetooth connectivity. We also explored 7 other fantastic options, each with its unique set of features and benefits. Remember, when it comes to mechanical keyboards, it's not just about the aesthetics or the brand name. Consider what you value most. Is it the typing feel, the durability, the customization options, or perhaps the compatibility across different operating systems? Also, keep in mind that the world of mechanical keyboards is ever evolving. New models are continuously being released, and features are being upgraded. So stay informed, stay curious, and most importantly, enjoy the process of finding the keyboard that's just right for you. We hope this guide has helped you navigate the world of mechanical keyboards. Happy typing!